Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today you guys, I just have a few things that I'd like to share that I recently picked up. By the time this video goes up, I've probably already shared all of these over on my Instagram. I always share new stuff over there first, so if you want to see what's new before it ever makes it to YouTube, make sure you're following me over there. So I ended up picking up 3 things. 2 are accessories, and I did also get a bag that I have admired for a while. You guys, I was not expecting to purchase any of these, but I purchased all of them from my friend Candy from Candy Sweet Love for LV, who has a resale business over on Instagram. If you're interested in purchasing anything pre-loved, I'll link her information below to definitely check her out because she always has some really nice pieces in great condition. So let's just start with this first box. So again, I ordered everything pre-loved from Candy. Now, when she ships stuff out to you, she doesn't include the boxes. These are actually mine that I just pulled out so we could have the full unboxing experience together. And so is the dust bag. And the first thing that I picked up is this round coin pouch. The OnTheGo PM and the original OnTheGo East West both came with this coin pouch. I'm pretty sure this one came from one of those bags because it has the same OnTheGo style zipper. But as soon as I saw it, I immediately knew I had to grab it because I had a plan for it, you guys. I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to use it, and I think it's going to add the perfect finishing touch. The front just features Louis Vuitton classic monogram. All of the hardware is gold tone, and the back features a smaller monogram, which I think adds a nice contrast to the regular size monogram on the front. The inside of the pouch is lined in a red, what feels like grained leather. There are gussets on each side, so it expands just enough to fit in a few coins. Now, I'm not actually going to be using this for coins at all. I'm honestly not going to be putting anything inside of it. So the plan that I had for it was to clip it onto my OnTheGo East West, and I think it's going to look really cute on the front. So let me grab that really quick to show you what it looks like on the bag. So here it is on the front of my OnTheGo East West, which you guys, I am in love with. I just unboxed it a few days ago and I've honestly been using it almost non-stop, you guys. I really love the East West silhouette that it has, and I just feel like adding this coin pouch to the front of it is the perfect finishing touch. So far, I've just been carrying it top handle, but I did order a reverse monogram canvas strap to wear with it, and as soon as I get it, this bag is going to be so versatile, and the coin pouch on the front is exactly how I want it to style it. It really makes the bag feel like mine. And now here is the second thing that I purchased, you guys, which is also an accessory. And I feel like once you see this accessory, you guys, you're going to automatically know what bag it goes with because they are the perfect pair. I knew it was meant to be mine the moment I saw it. I could picture it with the bag and I just couldn't let it pass me by. So I had been interested in this for such a long time. I wanted to get this along with the bag, but I could never find them together. And I just so happened to be watching one of Candy's lives and she pulled this thing out and I immediately knew I had to grab it right then and there. Everything just clicked, and what I grabbed is this beautiful blue and green Louis Vuitton guitar strap. It is just so unique, and I'm sure some of you can already guess which bag from what collection it's going to pair with. The details on this strap are just stunning. Louis Vuitton is beautifully embroidered along the length of it, and the stitching is so precise and crisp, it really elevates the whole strap. And then on the other side, it also has LV and the monogram blossoms embroidered up and down the strap. As soon as she showed it, I immediately told her I wanted it. When I purchased it from her on her live, she actually had 2, and I think she still has one available. You guys, if you're interested in this strap, definitely hit her up because finding this strap isn't easy. It doesn't pop up often, especially in this condition. And on to the main event, you guys, this bag. I've admired this bag for a while, but I could never find it along with the strap, but I was so lucky to find them both at the same time. So I've already looked at the bag. I've actually already carried the bag, but I wanted to give you guys the full unboxing experience. So I tucked it in this box, but let's take it out so you can see this bag I absolutely had to have. And the bag that I just had to have is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the limited edition Parisian street sign print. A lot of you guys might be familiar with this bag from seeing it on my friend Melissa Adams Wade's channel. She has this bag and she absolutely loves this bag, you guys. And now that I have it in my hands, I can definitely see why. This bag is so pretty and unique. Seeing it in person just hits completely different. I've been wanting an Alma BB for the longest, and I actually did purchase it in ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟 when it was first released with the adjustable strap. I didn't end up keeping it for that long because for me, in ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟, it read too dressy and plain, but this one completely flips the script. The print makes it feel fresh and fun while still keeping that classic Alma shape that I love. It's honestly the perfect mix of timeless and statement all in one. And then paired with this strap, it's honestly the perfect combination. Now, unfortunately, it didn't come with the original crossbody strap, which is okay because I really didn't plan on using it, but I did go in store to see about getting it. But I'm primarily going to be wearing this bag just like this, you guys. And come on, this strap on this bag, it just takes the bag to a whole new level. The colors, the embroidery, it's a showstopper without even trying. I was so lucky to find this bag and the strap at the same time. It's really like they were meant to be together and they were meant to be mine. So again, I did go in store, you guys. I took this bag in store because I wanted to see about getting the strap. Now, I'm not going to be using the original strap that came with it. This strap right here is just everything to me. So this is a strap that I'm always going to use with it, but I did take it in store and I showed my CA, and now I didn't come flat out and ask her about it being authentic. I really was just showing it to her because I had told her that I would be getting it, and she went ahead and looked at it and was able to confirm that it is authentic, which I already knew, but I'm glad that I got that extra reassurance and I was able to order the original strap. Now again, I'm not going to use that strap, but I just want to have it so that I have the full set. Other than the bag not coming with this strap, it came with everything else. It came with the key bell, it came with the lock that's inside the bag, and the keys are in the key bell. It also came with a dust bag, so even pre-loved, it still felt like I was getting everything that mattered. So you guys, I used this bag today and I took everything out because I just wanted to unbox it with you guys again. But I'm about to put everything back inside the bag because I'm about to head out with it. So let's pack it back up together. So honestly, you guys, the Alma BB, to me at least, it really doesn't fit a lot. I don't generally need to carry a ton of stuff, so it's actually kind of the perfect size to fit just my essentials. Here's the inside. So it did also come with this ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕟𝕟 organizer. And there's the lock. Without the organizer, the interior is a warm beige with a golden undertone. It's really pretty, but I'm gonna definitely be using the organizer. If you're interested in ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕟 organizers, be sure to use my code FOREVEREBONY at checkout for 20% off your order, and I'll leave the link in the description. So first inside is going to be my key pouch S. I carry this key pouch inside all of my bags, and inside I just have my keys and a few extra cards, my zippy coin purse, my card case, Beats Fit Pro, and a Chanel hand cream. And here is everything inside. So I may have to rearrange some stuff or even take out the Beats Fit Pro because I really don't need them today. But other than that, everything else I'll need fits perfectly. And here it is, my brand new to me Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the Parisian street sign. I could not be more excited to have this bag, you guys. I have been waiting and waiting for the perfect Alma BB. I almost went for that new Catagram Alma BB that recently came out. I saw it in store and I love the color of the canvas, but the cats just don't do it for me. There's also a mirror Alma BB that's being released on October the 17th. Pre-orders are open right now if you're interested. I do think it's going to sell out, and I would have grabbed that one, but this one became available first, and I'm super glad that it did, you guys. I feel like this one really speaks to me and fits perfectly into my lineup. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I recently picked up. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.